In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace wiper blades on a Nissan Frontier. So you're going to want to make sure your hood's down. You can grab your wiper arm and the blade, lift it up. Now on this particular model, if you go like this, there's a tab right here. We're going to squeeze that tab up and at the same time push that wiper blade down. Now rest it slowly against the glass. That's spring loaded. If that snaps, it's going to crack the windshield. So we're going to take our new wiper blade. You see how it has that hook design right there? Just like that hook, that loop. That's what's going to lock it into place. So you're going to slide it right in and you'll hear it click. And it locked. And that would be the same way to release it. The tab's right there. Make sure you take any shipping materials off, and they come with a little wiper blade protector. That's what this is. Sometimes they're longer or shorter. Now we're going to do the driver's side. I'm going to lift that arm up so I can actually reach it. When you tip it like this, you'll see that tab right there. Give it a push. Bring that back down. And let's get the new wiper blade. Now this is that shipping material I was telling you about. It puts a cover over that blade so it doesn't tear in shipping. I like to install it first, and then I'll take that off, bring it down, and you're good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.